Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a Temu haul. Teachers' gifts and things for around my house. Let's get into it. So first thing that we have here, I'm not shocked, are you? But it's a tin sign. And it's Scooby-Doo. My two favorite characters, of course, and it says Ruh-Roh.
Ruh-Roh.
But this tin sign was actually extremely cheap when I bought it. It went on like a super sale, so that's why I threw it in the cart here. But it came out really good quality too, and it's not pixelated or nothing. And that's for me. And then next we have here is 3 teachers' gifts. And the first one here is a tote bag. And it says teacher, and it has all of the ABC, the ruler, and the apple around it. And these come with a little clutch purse. And they have a button and a loop here that you can do it up as well. And then inside they're like almost like a lunchbox material for teachers. It's a nice, decent sized quality tote bag. We decided to get this for my kids' teachers this year. So here's the second one. Best teacher ever. And again, it comes with the clutch purse. They're pretty much the exact same. Nice thick quality handles. We decided to get them these this year because my kids have actually had the same teachers for 3 years in a row, coincidentally. One kid had them, and then the next kid had them for 2 years in a row. So we just really like these teachers. Next item we have here is the next one. And it says blessed teacher, and again it comes with the little one and the loop. These are really nice. And next item we have here is a little pin for my husband. You may have seen from my last video that I did get my husband a pin board and Wanda and Cosmo to go with from Fairly Odd Parents. But here's Timmy.
Timmy is an average kid that no one understands.
To go with for my husband. He's gonna love that, and it's an enamel pin. And last item we have here, I'm super excited about. I needed this so badly for my hallway, you have no idea. I got the black with the 4 layers and the 2 coat rack, as you can see here. I needed this really badly because my house is in shambles with the weather being up and down. You never know what you're gonna wear, so now there's like 10 coats for each person out, and it needs to be contained into one spot. Stay tuned, we're gonna put this together. And she's all set up. Looks perfect. I can't wait to keep organizing my house. And there you have our Temu haul. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to join up to Temu, click the affiliate link that's in the description box. That affiliate link will get you up to $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. Have a beautiful day. Bye.